What's up, guys? So here I am one more time. After that, I'm probably going to be getting out of here, but there's 4 long guns that I want to show you real quick. One of them I'm really surprised is still here. Listen, don't forget, we finance guns here, okay? So for that gun that might be a little bit out of your reach as far as pulling the money out of your pocket, or you don't want to put it all on your card, spread it out over payments. Time Financing is partnered with us, so they're the ones that actually hold the paper, right? Not us, but we do the app, send it over to them. And typically, most guns that are financed between $300 and $1,000, they'll go 18 months on that. After $1,000, I think it's $1,000 to $2,000. I'm probably wrong on that. Tiffany, correct me, but I mean, I've got it right over there, right there on the wall. But you know, then it jumps into a different tier of 24 months. But most of us financed. Well, actually, several of these pieces here. Well, no, yeah, only one of them is over $1,000, and I think I've done a video on it already. So let me go ahead and show you. These are hard to get. This is the Sub 2000. I just want to make sure it was chambered in 9mm. All right, so we've got this here, and I'm sort of surprised this gun's here. We've got it at $330 out the door, so it's a consignment gun. Any of these out the door guns are consignment guns, so no tax on that. All right, so there you go, $330 out the door for a Celtic Sub 2000. Then we've got another unique gun here by JTS. This is a M12 AK 12 gauge. This will comes with 2 magazines, and it's pretty cool. It's sort of built, obviously, looks like on an AK type platform, but it comes with 2 magazines, semi-auto 12 gauge. This is a bad gun right here. So what's the price on this one? We got this at $399. This is our gun, so it's $399 plus tax. Gun doesn't have a scratch on it. Nice piece. Gosh, which ones? I'll save this one for last. No, tell you what, I'll save this one for last. Let me do this because I put this one on here before. An FN PS90, and we've got this at $12.95. I know we got a good price on it, so I checked around to some of the other stores. $12.95 for a PS90. It shoots the 5.7 by 28 round. And this is a 50-round magazine. A 50-round magazine, one of our employees here, Rex Chesum, has one of these, and he says that it feeds very, very reliably. Hasn't had a minute's problem with it. And it's just a cool-looking gun, totally different. But of course, the P90 that the Secret Service uses in this is going to be a select fire, full auto, and it's going to have a shorter barrel. It's going to probably come to somewhere around about there, right? But you can have a PS90 for $12.95 and have a lot of fun with it. You can actually see through. You can see through this little peephole, and also it's got a set of sights, iron sights, if you will, on both sides of this. Okay, so that works nice for me because I'm a left-handed shooter with long guns, and Rex has got, I believe, a Venom Vortex, maybe a Venom Vortex sight. I may have that wrong one way or the other on top of his. So look at the sight of the height over bore. I mean, it's a pretty big difference, but it can be dialed in though. So the last one I want to show you, this is cool. I'd love to have this gun myself. This is, oh, wait a minute, on the FM. I'd love to see the comments down there because we asked people. This guy traded these 2 guns in for a gun, and I asked him because he was super smart. You didn't have to spend but a couple of minutes with him. The kid's like in his early 20s, and I swear I've never come across anybody as young as he is. It appears to know as much about firearms as he does. But I asked him, and he didn't know this, which firearm is associated with the right hand of the free world? The right hand of the free world. So I know, heck, I'll probably get more comments just because I asked that question. So, well, no, I'm not going to say that because I have everybody piled up, because I know all you got to do is Google it and you can tell me. But be honest. If you don't know, say, I don't know. But you'll see, because somebody in here will, and I know one that'll probably comment. Billy Bob might comment on it. But which gun is associated with the right hand of the free world? I sort of really just gave you a clue, but let's move on. So this is, remember, this is a Stava. Got to hold your mouth just right. A Stava PAP Looks like an AK, but it's chambered in 5.56. Of course, it'll shoot 223 as well. Chambered in 5.56. This is one cool gun. I mean, one cool gun. Of course, semi-auto. Let me see. Does it come with 2 mags? Okay, maybe just 1 magazine, but it'll hold regular AR-15 magazines. So we took this in, I think, Saturday. I don't see this gun here lasting long at all. I got it on Gunbroker, and I already got about 12 watchers on it and just put it on there yesterday. But it's still for sale because there's not a bid on it yet, okay? But I'm pretty sure this gun's going to get a bid in the first round on Gunbroker. So it's a Stava PAP, chambered in 5.56 or 223. Very nice gun, same thing. This gun doesn't have a scratch on it. Doesn't have a scratch on it. Very, very nice firearm. All right, so that does it for me this evening. We got, what, 9 days or so before Christmas as far as shopping days. Lord me, it's amazing how fast time goes by. So I'm going to try to get, man, am I going to try to get some of my Christmas shopping done because I'm so bad about waiting to the last minute to do a lot of things. There's people that know me are probably shaking their heads saying, yeah, I know. But see, I got an excuse. I have ADHD. And there's also some people out there that would say that's not a good enough excuse. Well, it is if you do your research. And I probably need to take medicine for it. But I take medicine already for various things. And I'm not crazy about taking more medicine. But if it would help me focus better, see, I'm a humble person to admit that, right? If it would help me focus better, I'd probably take it as long as it didn't have any crazy side effects. But we got 2 pharmacists in our family. My brother's married to one and my sister's married to one. And they tell me there's side effects to every kind of medicine. So, but there's some I take. I wouldn't know I took it unless you told me or unless I knew that I was taking it. So, all right. So I'm out of here. Once again, we're located at 1606 Westover Drive, Sanford, NC 27330. Our phone number is 919-708-5475. And don't forget to visit us on the web at CarolinaFirearmsTraining.com, where you can sign up for our next concealed carry class, which is the 21st, next Saturday. We still got seats available, $49. And that'll get you in a class. If you don't have a gun, don't worry about it. We can rent you a 22 target pistol for just $20, which includes the 30 rounds of ammunition that you need for the class. All right, I'm out of here. I'll probably see you on here in the morning. So see you next time. Stay armed, stay safe.